Hey guys, I'm about to board my flight to Tokyo, Japan, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to travel with the hair system. The one that I'm wearing right now is from Lordhair. It is lightweight, breathable, and has a very realistic hairline. Alright, time to get some sleep. See you in Tokyo. Hi guys, I just landed in Tokyo. After 13 hours flight, my hair still looks intact and I didn't mess it up or feel uncomfortable at all while sleeping. Alright, time to explore Japan! Some of you might already know that I take off and reapply the hair system on a daily basis. So every night, I simply take off the system just like this before going to bed. The next morning, what I need to do is just quickly put on my hair, which takes less than a minute, and then I'll be ready for the day. I do not need to change the tapes during the whole trip because usually they last for about 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, thank you very much guys. Just a short video about how I travel with the hair system. But honestly, there's not much to talk about because it's so simple, also when you're traveling.